back here. So that was some of the sap green with the transparent red oxide. I added a little bit of yellow ochre, and then I'm using my dark cloud color to cool it. So it really does tie into the mountain behind there, right? Because it's in the family.
So is that just straight sap green or?
No, sap green and transparent red oxide, that little pile. And then some yellow ochre into it. As I come forward, I can start using some more warm tones. I'm using a little bit of Gamsol. Too warm. Now, do I want to, I've got yellow ochre and white with a little bit of the violet in it here.
By violet, you mean the cloud
Cloud color.
Yeah.
Gray violet. And I'm going to keep some light on my ground here. I'm going to lighten it a little bit.
I didn't hear that when you said violet.
White, yellow ochre, and cloud color. The purple violet. The gray cloud color that I pulled down. And I do take a little bit of this grape color. So the purple, the gray that I pulled. All right. So it's your white, your ultramarine blue deep, and your cad red light that made this beautiful blue-gray. I call it an air color, atmosphere color, shadow color. And then right here, it just has alizarin mixed into it, just a beautiful blue-violet. Down here, it's the same mixture. I just put a little more white into it. And then those areas where you see me blocking in the shadows where they're more blue, I pick up a little bit of the cobalt blue and mix into that mixture. And so you have these beautiful mixtures going on here. So again, to repeat, because you'll want to practice this type of stuff, a big pile of my basic color, white, ultramarine blue deep, and cad red light. Then I pull out of that. This one has more white and just a touch of cobalt blue pale. Pulled out of that over here, the main mixture, and I added just a little bit of alizarin crimson to make more of a purple violet. And these are the colors that I use for blocking in those shadows. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to throw a little bit of this underneath these trees. Now, this picture doesn't have a lot of bright light on it. Like I told you, this, I just photoshopped this into the bottom of this.
What color is that?
This down here is photoshopped in. It's not the original. The original was desert, but it had a bunch of saguaros and things.
So what color are you putting under the tree?
Oh, the cloud. The gray cloud color. The white and the ultramarine blue. This right here.
Okay.
These are the only mixtures that I'm using right here. So it's this one. I'm putting this under the trees.